Hello everyone, today we will prepare a very tasty and nutritious meal with peas. Subscribe to our channel if you want to know about food and interesting facts every day. And don't forget to hit the like button. The best videos are on our channel. Let's soak your peas in boiling water for 2 or 3 hours. Put vegetable oil and butter in a pot, put minced meat and onion on top. Cut Bulgarian potatoes and carrots into small cubes. Be sure to try our pea soup dish. Very easy to prepare, nutritious and very tasty. Add tomato paste and fry well. At the end, we put our peas, add salt and spices according to the tab and pour water over it. Cook for 1 hour on low heat. Our food is ready. If you want, you can add greens and eat it. Bon appetit!